So here we go again. I think Mother Nature's making up for the snow we didn't get last year. December 13th, I think. Holy smokes. I mean, it's up to my top of my tall boots. Yeah, holy cow. Dogs are getting buried. Boiler's doing good. I got a marketplace sale I got to meet up for. Roads aren't plowed, drive ain't plowed. Got old Lacey warming up here. Gonna shoot over to the barn across the street, clear a little path. I mean, now that was obviously all the stuff that come off the truck. Okay. Jeez. Don't even know if the plow's gonna raise. It should. No, she's stuck to the ground right now. Throw it in reverse, break it loose. Or now it should raise up. There it goes. Fortunately, it's still really light and fluffy. It's cold, it's like 15 degrees out. I'm not doing the whole driveway right now. I'm going to use the snow blower tractor later. But I just got a clear path. That's a 9-foot blade on there. She is heavy. If the snow is wet or sticky at all, she does not like to raise. I got to jiggle it to get a bunch of the snow off of there. Holy crap. So I've never seen that before. Somebody plowed that little section right there. Huh. Alright, well, I made the sale. I was running behind, so I didn't have the camera going while I was at that other barn. I got myself stuck a couple times. But man, oh man. Fortunately, the plow truck came through during the time that I had to go up the road. He's only done half of it so far. I love it though. Look at this. Here's my neighbor out plowing his driveway. Yeah, buddy. Go dig the snow out of this thing. Gonna have to come down here later with the tractor and clean all this out so the mail lady can get in here. Jeez, oh Pete. Love it, love it, love it. It's a lot of work though, no doubt. Bedded the truck completely full. That's after I shoveled it out, I don't know, 3 days ago. Please be the plow truck. Is that just wind I'm hearing? No, I hear something. Yeah, buddy. Get you some. Nice. Alright, let's run the gauntlet of the driveway. Eugh. I only plowed enough to get out. Those snowbanks are about 7 feet tall now. All right, checking out. Gonna be dealing with snow the rest of the day and some YouTube. So y'all take it easy. Have a good weekend.